Hi, my name is Teresa and I'm here to show you all the necessary equipment that you will need to give yourself a manicure at home. I'm going to start off with a manicure bowl. You use a manicure bowl to soak your nails in to get all the dirt and soften up your cuticles. I have a little glass bowl right here, but you can use anything that you have at home just to put your hands in. I suggest putting a little bit of dishwasher liquid in there just to kind of get the dirt off of there and help soften up those cuticles. I also have nail polish remover. There are two types of nail polish remover out there. There's a regular one and there's an acetone one. The acetone one, if you have acrylic nails, you probably don't want to use it because it does tend to melt off away the acrylic you have on there. The regular polish remover you can use on those acrylic nails. So these are the two things that you will definitely start off with, would be the nail polish remover and the manicure bowl with a little bit of dishwasher liquid in there and some cotton. When you use the nail polish remover, you want to go ahead and open the one you used, the one you are going to use. Go ahead and get some cotton, wrap it up, put it between your fingers, put some polish remover on it, and hold your hand and push it down. So this would be how you would use the polish remover.